You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x plus 2 over x greater than negative 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 2 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x plus 2 over x greater than negative 2.